Hello, dear hungry ones. Tender, flavorful, creamy. That's the best way to describe this sliced pork tenderloin in mustard cream. It's just the perfect choice for a cozy Sunday meal or a hearty evening dish, and so very, very delicious. Here's what we need. Pork tenderloin, onions, cream, Worcestershire sauce and mustard. I'm using medium strength mustard, but coarse mustard works just as well. For spices we need pepper, salt and a bit of sugar. Additionally, you'll need some broth and, optionally, a splash of dry white wine for refinement if you like. First, we'll peel the onions and then slice them into strips. Now for the meat, halve it lengthwise, or if the piece is larger, feel free to cut it into thirds. Of course, use a nicely sharp knife for this. So go ahead and slice the meat across the grain into delightful thin strips. Now pour some oil into a large pan. Heat it up and add the strips of tenderloin. Season them with pepper and also rather generously with salt. Next, while occasionally stirring and taking your time, brown the meat evenly all around. Are we ready? Now add the onion strips and sauté them together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, we add the mustard. As I mentioned, mine is medium strength. Stir in the mustard and let it roast briefly. And now we deglaze with the broth. We also pour in the cream. Mix everything thoroughly and adjust the heat so it simmers. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then, don't hesitate to season this dish to your liking with a touch of sugar and add a dash of pepper and salt. Also, add a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Combine everything well one last time, then we can take the dish off the heat. As for the sliced pork tenderloin in mustard cream sauce, I like to serve it with rice, but it also pairs wonderfully with tagliatelle. And honestly, it tastes amazing even with just a piece of baguette. You won't regret trying this. I wish you lots of fun preparing it, and then bon appétit. Until next time. Goodbye. Bye-bye.